Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI, and I gotta say, my husband is looking pretty good, thanks in part to this tie set from High Tie. Let me tell you, this is a well made, luxurious feeling tie. There was nothing coming apart, no hanging threads, or anything like that. And don't get me started on the design. It's so beautiful, and we love the variations of blue in it. It's one of those things that looks simple, but the longer you look at it, the more you can appreciate its details and the prettier it gets. We also appreciate that this came with a variety of items in the set. Of course, they go well together, but each piece can also stand on its own, so if he wants to mix and match, he certainly can. The tie was the perfect length and width, the pin was sharp enough to go through his jacket, and the cufflinks held on the whole time. Literally, no complaints. High tie also has a variety of colors and styles, so if the man in your life has a special event coming up, I can almost guarantee there's an option for him, so be sure to check them out. That's our point of view.